Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make notes in English. First, begin by actively listening to the content. Don't try to write down every single word. Instead, focus on grasping the main ideas and key points. Think about the speaker's overall purpose and what they want you to take away. This approach helps you process information more deeply and ensures your notes are concise and meaningful, saving you valuable time later. Next, choose a note-taking method that suits your learning style and the material. The Cornell method, for example, divides your page into 3 sections: main notes, cues, and a summary. Outlining uses a hierarchical structure with main topics and subpoints, which is great for organized information. Mind mapping, on the other hand, is visual and connects ideas around a central theme, perfect for brainstorming or complex concepts. To make your note-taking more efficient, incorporate abbreviations and symbols. Instead of writing, for example, use e.g. or etc. for and so on. A plus sign can mean add or positive, while an arrow might indicate leads to or results in. Developing your own consistent shorthand for common terms will significantly speed up your writing, allowing you to capture more information quickly and effectively. Finally, always review and organize your notes shortly after taking them, ideally within 24 hours. This crucial step helps solidify the information in your memory and allows you to fill in any gaps or clarify points that might seem unclear later. You can also add questions or summaries to enhance their usefulness. Well-organized notes are a powerful study tool, making revision much more effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.